Hi guys, this is finding the volume of cuboids. A cuboid is a 3D shape and we'll end up with a unit of a cube at the end. So centimetre cubed, metre cubed, it goes on and on and on. So find the volume of the cuboid 12, 7 and 5 centimetres. Now we have a formula to find the volume. It's nice and easy. So the volume is the length times the width times the height. So it is a calculated question. So the length is 12 centimetres. The width is 7 times the height, which is 5. And the answer is 420 centimetre cube. It was that simple, guys. How simple was that? People do ask though, what if I didn't do it that way and I did 7 times 12 times 5? Is that still going to be the same answer? Yes, it would still be 420 centimetre cubes. So don't worry too much if you haven't got it in the right order. You will get the right answer. So the next one, we have 8.5, 4 and 3 centimetres. So let's plug it into our formula. So we have the length is 8.5 times 4 times 3, which gives us 102 centimetre cubed. Well, that's easy, isn't it? And you're thinking, nah, can't be that easy. Well, there are extra little steps we have to do, and you've got to look out for them. They don't tell you them. This is where you have to read the question. So a cuboid measures 20 millimeters by 15 millimeters by 8 millimeters. It's asking us to find its volume in centimeter cubed. Now to do this, we're going to have to do a little bit of converting. So we need to convert all our millimeters into centimeters. So to do that, let's first work out our measurements. So we have 20 times our width, which is 15, and our height. Now pop that into the calculator and you will get 2,400 millimeter cubed. Okay, now it's time to convert. So we know it's 1,000 millimeter for every 1 centimeter squared. So we're going to divide. So what we do is we do 2,400 and we're going to divide that by 1,000. And your calculator will then spit out 2.40. And our answer is now in centimeter cubed. Okay, let's do another one with some converting. A cuboid has length of 1.2 meters, a width of 80 centimeters, and a height of 0.5 meters. Find the volume in meters cubed. So the best way to do this is to convert the 80 first. Now I've done it for you so you can see, because by now you should know that converting centimeters to meters, we are dividing by 100, okay? So that's quite a well-used conversion, centimeters to meters, meters to centimeters. So I'm now going to plug it all in, and the length is 1.2 meters times our width, which is now 0.8 times 0.5. And you pop that all in your calculator and you will get 0.480 meters cubed. Okay? Don't be scared of a decimal. They're part of our new number system. And if it looks weird, don't worry about it. If you put that into your calculator, it's fine. A box measures 40 centimeters by 25 times 30. Okay, they're all in centimeters, but what is its capacity in liters? Another question where you really have to read it. Convert to litres. Now, to convert to litres, we're going to, every centimetre cubed, it's 1,000 for 1 litre, okay? So once again, we're going to divide. I'm going to work it out first, as we always do. And that's what you're going to get on your calculator. And obviously, that's in centimetre cubed. So now we're going to convert. It's literally the same as that, actually. Same sort of process. So now we're going to divide our 30,000 by 1,000, which will give us 30 litres. Well, it comes out like that, but your answer just is 30 litres. So that's it. So that is really a basic overview of cuboids and the volumes. Obviously, it gets harder than that, but just to find out the volume, this is it. Hope you found that easy, and I shall speak to you guys soon. Bye-bye.